Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about the Andeman. This is the multifunctional jump starter. It's really a nice compact kit that shows you and has all of the different things that you need to travel with in a really compact form. So this is the unit itself. This is what the travel box is, and you can see that it keeps everything kind of in one little place, and you can throw this in your car, your trunk. It's a great little thing to have with you for emergencies and that sort of thing. So let me show you all the functions and features of it. First of all, it acts as an air compressor. So if you get flat tires or you're going to sporting events and you need to pump up a ball or any of that sort of thing, it has the ability to pump up tires, motorcycle tires, balls, inflatables. I'll show you those things as well. Mostly for us, the reason we like this is for car tires. Just in case you end up having tires are a little bit lower, that sort of thing, you can set the PSI on the screen and hit go, and it'll pump it up to the right pressure for the tire, for the PSI, or for the ball, you could put it in as pounds as well. So let me just show you how this works. So I'm going to try to show you in the bright light here. Okay, so there's different modes. You have bike tires, you have balls, you have PSI for your tires, you have car, so you have bar as well, and you have your bike, so motorcycles. So let me go back and let me just show you how to inflate a ball. So this ball particularly, you can see it's flat. You can see it's right there, and I can see on here it inflates. The inflation should be 11 to 13 pounds. So I'll just go back to my screen here on ball, and I will go up until I get to 11. I'll go 12 pounds, and then all I'm going to do is I'm going to hit start with it. And once you hit start, it kicks on, and it immediately starts inflating, and your screen will start counting up until it gets to the 12 pounds that I want for my ball to be inflated to, and then it shuts off. So now I know it's completed. Pull it out, and your ball is perfectly inflated to the right pounds that you would want for your inflation for that ball. So it works really well for something like that. It also works for inflatables. So it comes with a couple of different things for air inflation. So obviously you can just do, a needle for a ball. You can also do, there's a couple of different adapters that come with it. So you end up with 3 different adapters to it. Plus you obviously end up with the adapter for if you want to put it onto a tire, you can just do that, push down on it, and it's on the tire as well. So it also works with inflatables. You can easily just inflate something. So I have just a different adapter. It comes, like I said, it comes with 3. It comes with one that will inflate with this, which is really kind of nice. And now, I can just get to the right mode here. There we go. And then I'm just going to flip through to get to the right mode for inflatables and start inflating. And you'll see it works pretty quickly. There we go. There we go. So you can see that it quickly inflated this for the pool, and we're ready to go. And that's how quickly it does that as well. So like I said, it comes with 3 different adapters. So that's the air inflatable part of it. So let's talk about the other things it can do. So it has a jumper cable kit that allows you to jump start a car and that sort of thing as well. So that's really easy to do. So I'll just show you that really quick. If we take this off, this just screws on and off. So it does that. So it's really easy. So you can just take that piece off, and then you can pull out your jumper cable kit. All it is that red cable and black cable. They give you complete instructions as well with their little book that they have inside that, but you can just see that the jumper's cable one is like, oh, there's your car tire thing. This just gets plugged into that, which is really easy. And you can see it's flickering right now, so you can see it's doing that. But it says right on the back, normal is green light, low voltage. Red, off is red and flashing, short circuit. Off is red and beep. So it tells you what you need to do with it. and it gives you the instructions to it. And this will jumpstart something. So if you have problems with jumpstarting a car or things like that, this will do it. So it's just a quick kit, really easy, portable, right up to the front, right up to the hood of your car, right up to the battery. It allows you to do that, and you can jumpstart it. The whole thing is then also rechargeable. So it comes with a cord. It's just a USB-C cord. You can plug it in. You can charge the whole thing back up, make it fully chargeable so it's ready to go. It also works, you can see it's got 2 USB ports. It works as a power bank. So if you are one of those people that lets your phone die while you're traveling, or you just need a quick power bank charge up and you need to do something like that, you can do that. You also can plug in any tools, like if you had a vacuum that you wanted to vacuum your car out with or something like that, and it was USB type, you could do that as well. So it has that capability as well to it. The other thing that's kind of nice is it comes with a light. So if you are doing something, you're jump starting your car or doing something like that, it has 3 different modes to it. It's got SOS. It'll turn itself on. There you go. So you have a light. You see a little bit in the daylight here, but it has an SOS. It has a flasher as well. So it has a couple different functions and features to it. It's nice if you're just trying to light something up and you just want to make sure no one hits you or that sort of thing. So this will actually also inflate for up to 8 minutes per cycle. So which tells you on the side of it, that's when it starts, I guess it will stop working. The second thing is automatically resumes after 3 minutes of cooldown. So if you're inflating all your tires and it takes you more than 8 minutes, it's going to have 3 minutes cooldown, fill the next tire, 3 minutes of cooldown, gives you all those instructions right there. So this multifunctional jump start kit and air inflation, awesome for tires. I mean, if you could just set your PSI on here, so you look at your door, you say it's 35 PSI, you set it on here, you hit go, it inflates until it hits that PSI limit, and then it shuts off. You know you're good, you move to the next tire. So pretty awesome, all built into this cool little featured set. And look at how easy you just pack it away, power everything off. Everything packs really tightly into this little kit, and it's got everything you need in one travel kit. If I can get it all into the netting, there we go. One little travel kit, everything you need for inflating tires, power bank, flashlight, and jump start kit all in one little thing. So I'll put a link in the description below to this product. Super thanks is always welcome. We'll see you next time. If you're looking for a kit like this where it's easy on the go, take a look at this. This is the Andeman. This is the that's what it looks like if you see it in the box. Multifunction jump starter kit. Well worth the money for peace of mind and safety.